I'm going to be showing you how to update macOS in your MacBook. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So in order to do that, what we need is system settings. So just look down at the docs and find system settings right here. Once you're here, you should see something like this. So after you're here, what we need to do is search for a software update, which is going to be shown automatically to you. So if you have an update due, it'll show up right below your Apple account right over here. So as you can see, I'm up to date. So that's all you need to do. It's really easy. So if you want to make sure that even a little update is due, then just go to General here and tap on Software Update right there. So if you have an update, then it'll tell you right here. So as you can see, I have some updates here. So I can either upgrade to macOS Dahoo, which is new, or I could choose to update some other updates. So it's completely up to you what you choose. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.